popping the wolf on your noggin. What you knowin' about wearing a fur fox skin? I'm digging, I'm searching right through that luggage. One man's trash, that's another man's come up. Like your granddad, never been in that plaid button up shirt. Cause right now I'm up in her skirt. I'm in the Goodwill, you can find me in the I'm not confession in the section. Grammy or Anthony, your mama, your mammy. I'll put those flannel zebra jammies secondhand and rock that. The girl the onesie with the socks on them. I hit the party and they stop oh, that Gucci, that's so tight. I'm like, yo, that's $50 for a t-shirt. Limited edition, let's do some simple legit. $50 for a t-shirt, just some bigger I call that getting swindled and pimped. I call that getting tricked by business. That's your hella dough. And that is